Highway Code Rule 120 ABS. If your vehicle is fitted with anti-lock brakes, you should follow the advice given in the vehicle handbook. However, in the case of an emergency, apply the foot brake firmly. Do not release the pressure until the vehicle has slowed to the desired speed. The ABS should ensure that your steering control will be retained, but do not assume that a vehicle fitted with ABS will stop in a shorter distance. Highway Code Rule 121. Brakes affected by water. If you have driven through deep water, your brakes may be less effective. Test them at the first safe opportunity by pushing gently on the brake pedal to make sure they work. If they are not fully effective, gently apply light pressure while driving slowly. This will help to dry them out. Highway Code Rule 122. Coasting. This term describes a vehicle travelling in neutral or with the clutch pressed down. It can reduce driver control because engine braking is eliminated, vehicle speed downhill will increase quickly, increased use of the foot brake can reduce its effectiveness, steering response will be affected, particularly on bends and corners. It may be more difficult to select the appropriate gear when needed.